Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to withdraw your money from Vinted step by step. First, open the Vinted app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Select Balance. This is where you can see your available earnings. If you haven't already, tap Add Bank Account under Withdrawal Options and enter your bank details. Once your earnings from a completed order are in your balance, tap Withdraw to Bank Account. Confirm the transfer, and that's it. Your money will be on its way. Keep in mind, it can take up to 5 business days to reach your bank, and you can only withdraw the full amount available, not partial amounts. And that's it. That's how to withdraw money from Vinted. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.